Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, recently you might have heard that the iconic reggae singer from the iconic band Mighty Diamonds, right, a man with them called Tabby Diamond, is now dead. This man was in his late 60s, right, and he lost his life in a drive-by shooting. So you're probably wondering to yourself, what would a man up in that age, right, do or get caught up in a drive-by? Because you normally associate, them type of things with younger people, young men. We're going to talk about it. Tabby Diamond's real name is Donald Shaw. He was in the band with Fitzroy Bunny Simpson and Lloyd George Ferguson. If you don't know Mighty Diamonds, cause some of you might young, they're probably most famous for the song name Right Time. Right, ironically, it have a line we say, when the right time come, right, they might go charged for murder. They're also famous for songs like Pass the Kutchie on the left. So we are talking about an iconic band, sir. We don't want to research. But we could talk about the murder. We could talk about Jamaica's acidic culture. You see, even though it wasn't an accident, them did one kill Tabby Diamond. The motives is spooky. You see, in Jamaican culture, by now, you know how it go, according to badman law. If you can't catch Quaco, you catch him short. You see, Tabby Diamond have a son, that's an 87. The youth name is Jamaican Shaw. He's actually currently behind bars right now. Now, this youth, Jamaican Shaw, right, some people call him Marley, some people call him Marley Ross. Right. He's known, right, to be very active in South St. Andrew. Right. All over the place really, but really South St. Andrew, him the most time damage. At one point, him like caused beer problem even at communities like Akiwak and them place there. Now, even though Tabby Diamond's son has been behind bars for quite some time, you know it got already, even though man that jail, them can still contact people, them still have beef, them still have dispute or whatever. So, because they can't get to Marley, which is the son, right, the man them decide say, them have a target, the father. Welcome to Jamrock, Irie man. So this man, who reggae icon, just last year, them win another prestigious award, right, that's the Mighty Diamonds group. That don't mean nothing in the world of badness. That don't mean nothing to your favorite 87. Them still target the man. Right? After the smoke clear, there are about 5 people who pick up rounds. Or somebody else lose them life. Right? So it wasn't just Tabby Diamond, you have to remember that. Right? There were 2 individuals who lose them life. The other person name is Owen Beckford. Right, so 2 dead, right, and 3 were injured. We're telling about 87 and their mass shootings already. So you have a son who's at 87. A son who, him enemies them want to get to him, can't get to him. Frustrated. See an easy target, which is the father. A man who in his late 60s probably couldn't even win a fist fight against these younger men, much less a gunfight. Right. You would think, right, whatever little scrap of humanity them are good at say, you know what, we don't have nothing against the man. The man not doing nothing. He not fight and shut off for we. Right. He not going in the community go shoot at nobody. Right. He not stay behind bars and send this from to the man. So we could just leave it alone. Not your favorite 87. Not your favorite acidic culture. Because let's not act surprised. We know say that's how the culture work. Right? We know say you hear man brag all the time. If you can't catch him, then what will happen to your mother and your father and your pitney them. We don't hear this all the time, but only celebrate it, only laugh, because some things are a joke thing. Right? Only claim say just words or just entertainment. Right? Not take it too serious until you see how ugly it is in real life. So now, the entertainment industry, right, even people abroad, right, I said they can't believe something like this happened to Tabby Diamond. Well, guess what? You better believe. And Tabby Diamond is not the first, and he's not the last. Obviously, he's a famous entertainer. But understand that this happened all over Jamaica. People are getting killed for the actions of their sons, their daughters, right? And in many instances, unfortunately, a 2-day story. Don't think say 87s operate on logic. So the family is distraught, community is distraught, right? But here's the thing, I don't know if you've seen it yet, but they come out of the papers, right? There was a double shooting, right, on Olympic Way, not far from where Tabby Diamond lose his life. They say one of the man them, right, will get shot up in that incident, sit down in a restaurant. He was implicated in the shooting of Tabby Diamonds, right, which they then call Kutchie. No, you know street justice work already, right? It's not like the legal system where you go in a station, go sit down and then you can call a lawyer and then if police not on a case, them have to let you go and start working a bad man world. The man then blame Kutchie and less than 48 hours after, him dead. Right? They say pick up, right, a number of rounds, some of them all catch him in the head. It seems like instant retaliation. So, in case you're wondering, that looks spooky. Tabby Diamond lose him life on McKinley Crescent, right, and down the road, Olympic Way, right. 2 youth dead right after. Well, 2 people get shot right after. For me understand, the second person survived. Yes, that was a retaliation for Tabby Diamond. Remember, his son is a 87. That means his son have links. His son have brethren who would have known Tabby Diamond, and once him hear say that happened to Tabby Diamond, them are going to take it up on themselves to retaliate. I don't even think the son would have need to give the orders. Just based on the facts, right? People link with the son, people know Tabby Diamond, people here say, oh, Kutchie involved. Man are going to take it up and retaliate instantly. So just like that, the community is tense because there are no losses on both sides. Right? The people who link with Kutchie now got to take that so. Right? And even though Kutchie gone, it might not do that so. Because the man they might want more. You know, you got already. Sometimes when people, especially very influential people lose them life, you say, man want 5 for dead back, 10 for dead back. So that whole community, that whole area is spooky right now. Welcome to Jamrock. Do not think for a second, right, that even though you are a critically acclaimed entertainer, even though you're an icon in the music, right, you've been around for decades, everybody respect you, right? Don't think that mean anything to criminals. When me telling you say, this culture, this badness culture, this if you can't catch walk, you catch him short culture, right? This mother for dead back culture. When me telling you say ugly, understand me I talk about. Tabby Diamond is a reggae icon. But don't wait until it's a Tabby Diamonds to condemn this culture. Don't wait until it's a singer to condemn this culture. Don't wait until it's somebody who make whole heap of song where you love to condemn this culture. Too many Jamaicans flip-flop, right, between their acidity. When it entertain them and sweet them, they love it. But when it happen to somebody who them care about, all of a sudden them condemn it. For 2 days. Them condemn it Monday and Tuesday, and then them back to their acidity Wednesday. Very unfortunate story. I'm sure the security forces, right, are going to try and police the area, but it couldn't stop the retaliation. Remember, right after Tabby Diamond losing life, the security forces were operating in the area. Them actually hear when they shot them go off, right, when the man them kill Kutchie, right. That's why them could have get to the scene very quickly and rush him to hospital. People are actually saying that the reason why them catch Kutchie without him gun is because the police them close by. So that shows you even time police in the inner the area, the man them just wait till they make one turn per one lane and just do what them do and get there fast. By the time the police them circle back around, the man them gone. Right? The man them know all of the corner them, all of the little alleyway them, right? All of the little chappy them for those take one left, take one right and gone. Even police presence couldn't stop the retaliation. Complete madness. So now the son that jail, yes, the father dead, right? And based on who the son is, It's very unlikely he might go just happy for years to just one man dead back. Keep an eye on this community. Anyway, very unfortunate story. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. TIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.